Welcome to this video about using SOPHAS, the Schools of Public Health Application Service. This video will dive into tips when using this application to ensure success for applying to graduate public health programs. The first tip is to take time on the personal statement, also known as the statement of purpose and objectives. It is important to brainstorm several ideas for your personal statement before you begin writing one. Jotting down your initial thoughts and narrowing your selection down will help save time in the long run. Consider elaborating on why you want to study public health and your preferred program of choice. Making your responses specific and thoughtful will help with your application success. Remember to not simply list down your achievements or experiences from your resume. The personal statement is a chance to showcase who you are as a person, and essay reviewers are curious to know more about you. Also, make sure to create multiple drafts before submitting. This will allow you to remove grammatical errors, better develop your thoughts, and allow others to read your personal statement, and provide enough time for constructive feedback. The second tip is to be creative on the SOPAS entries. Even if a past or current experiences is not in a public health field, it can still be included in your SOPAS application. If you can showcase skills, values, or lessons learned from your experiences and how they apply to your public health field of interest, you can be able to convey to the program directors about how well rounded you are. If a school has unique qualities about its program, certain goals, or missions, try to connect your experiences to how you can fulfill the objectives of these schools. If you have had previous jobs or careers, odds are you may have done trainings and courses which have earned you licenses and certificates. See if you can review those past experiences and if you can add that to the licenses and certificates section. The last tip is to break down your SOPAS application process into manageable parts. This is a time consuming process which makes it necessary to break it down to smaller steps. There are many schools and programs across the United States with varying deadlines. Make sure to jot these down somewhere so you don't forget them. For example, you could use a planner, computer, or mobile application. Also, break down your tasks into smaller pieces so that you can reduce burnout and stress. For example, certain tasks such as the GRE and personal statement can take a while to prepare for or complete. Create smaller, achievable, and realistic steps for each goal will make accomplishing the goal all the more possible. For example, if you are studying for the GRE, you can create a weekly planner for what days to focus on math problems, what days to improve reading skills, and what days to take the practice tests. Lastly, make sure to start the process of planning and scheduling early on to allow for more flexibility. Oftentimes, there are personal events, work, or school obligations, as well as other circumstances that can be obstacles. Anticipating these situations when creating your plan can help prevent anxiety, stress, and missed progress in the long run. Thank you again for watching this video and make sure to stay tuned for more content.